So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. So I ordered these not expecting them to be MaXpeeding rods because I paid so little for them. So I'm gonna place this up on my stool and let's unbox this. Alright, so yeah, I ordered these coilovers, and in the description of it, it did not mention that these were MaXpeeding rods. So to my surprise, when they arrived, the box said MaXpeeding rods. So let's see if I actually got some MaXpeeding rods in here for the price I paid. Let's see the condition of these things. Okay. Ooh. Well, they came in red. So far, so good. Let's check out this front. Let's see if this is even labeled. I'm not sure if MaXpeeding Rods labels their stuff. As you can see, it has the adjustable camber on it, but alright, well everybody, there's a good chance that here I have some off-brand stuff, which I don't care. I just need some good suspension for the Civic because it's all shot. So I'm gonna call these some MaXpeeding rods. I mean, it does come with the paperwork. Maybe. Oh, well, what do you know? They are MaXpeeding rods. Check it out. Look at that. Can't wait to get these installed and have a more smoother ride. Yes. So, what do we got here? I'm not getting into a turbo yet, or a supercharger. We'll see which one. Okay, we got the coilovers for the spring. This comes with a little metal bracket, or a metal O-ring. I've never seen that before, but I'm assuming that's to put in between the actual part and maybe this rubber so that it spins, or put it in between the rubber. We'll see how I install this. So let's get this started. For the rear suspension, we're gonna have to go inside the trunk and unscrew the bolts that are up there, and then you're gonna have this one bolt right here to unscrew to take this out. And with this out, hopefully this will be able to get pushed low enough to remove the spring and add the new spring and the adjustment. So that's this part in here. And pull this back. We got a couple things in here you gotta remove. your axis up here. Which, from the looks of it, let me take this other one off. They're like plastic. I don't know if these are the ones that I replaced because they were missing, but the ones I have here are the plastic screws. Oh, that's what it is. There's another one in here. And now it should go. Let's see. The covers are. Anyways. Yeah. So you just undo this because this sandwiches this rubber here with another rubber that's under there and keeps it from moving around and vibrating. So we're gonna undo this one and then undo the one that's on the bottom and then remove that, and then I'll do that on time lapse and then I'll come back live afterwards. It looks like if this keeps spinning, there's an Allen wrench you can put at the end of it to keep the bolt from spinning, so you can remove the nut.
Nope. Wow.
Wasn't too bad. It went up. It comes with like 2 washers here. One of them, which looks like it covers a clip, but you can still make it with just one of these washers. I'm gonna leave 2 of them on there because that's what it came with. Then what I did was, when I put the bolt here, I spun this up until it got flush here, and then the second I seen it mate, I stopped. So that's gonna be my preload for this. It comes with some rubber. You gotta take this factory one off that comes up from the top, and then there's one that's on the bottom as well. This one, and then you don't know which rubber goes where because it'll only fit one way. So you just put the rubber around the bottom, then the spring. Then what I did was I put this little metal not spacer, but a gasket on it between the spring and this, because I have no idea where else that would go. So I'm assuming that goes there so that this is able to spin if it's tight. So I put it there, and then I did the same thing with this. I brought it up until it was nice and tight down here because it's I had like a little this space here. So I just did it where this end over here was tight, and then that's going to be the preload for that. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, so that way hopefully they're pretty much the same, and then I could just tighten these things here and then call it a day for that. Then I'm going to move on to the front. Okay, got my MaXpeeding rods in. I had to take it off zero here. If you see, it's 2 tick marks on both sides in order for these screws to fit in this diameter, because it was hitting the rim of that. But I have it on the ground now, and look at this monster truck gap right here. I can fit 4 of my fingers on both sides. So I'm just gonna adjust this so it's lower. Then I'm gonna take it for a drive, make sure it's, you know, make sure it's nice and settled, and then I'll show you the end result. Right guys, we have her sitting nice. As you could tell, I put the factory rims back on because I'm currently painting them black, as you can see. But right now they're at 2 fingers all the way, or on the back it's 2 fingers, and the front is about 1.5. But I think I put the springs too stiff because it hits hard when I hit the bumps. But besides that, this is how she lays. So I gotta obviously finish painting the rims. The back 2 are black and the front 2 are the original stock color. But there we have it. Suspension on the Civic is done. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Why so?
You gonna fix the car?
Yeah.